Louise Thompson has opened up about her mental health struggle 4 months after giving birth to her son Leo Hunter. The Made in Chelsea star, 31, revealed that she's scared of cupboards, her fridge, and is afraid to look after her baby. 5. Louise Thompson has bravely opened up about her mental health struggles since giving birth. Credit, Instagram. 5. Louise had to spend 4 weeks in intensive care after giving birth to her baby boy. Louise and fiancé Ryan Libbey welcomed Leo Hunter into the world in November, but she almost died giving birth and had to spend a month in intensive care with the dot. Since then, the new mum has been sharing how she's been coping with PTSD, and at the start of the year she admitted she cried 20 times in 1 week. In a recent Instagram post, Louise listed things that have gripped her since experiencing a debilitating mental illness. She told her 1.4 million followers, "I've been petrified of my cupboards, I've battled a phobia of my fridge and bathtub, I've felt so disconnected from reality it's very scary, I wore the same clothes every day for a month." Louise continued, "I couldn't wear any makeup for a month, I couldn't go into the nursery or the basement, I haven't been able to look after Leo because I'm scared he'll trigger anxiety." The brave mum listed a huge number of other things that have been very difficult for her to deal with over the months. Some included the worry of what her medication is doing to her, trouble with sleeping and not being able to use her senses correctly. Despite her struggles, Louise ended the post on a positive. Louise concluded, "Honestly, I've been at a level of rock bottom that I never knew existed. I never understood suffering or suicide before. I have learned a lot over the past half year. I used to watch fires on TV and not relate, now I understand the trauma. I used to hear about PTSD after war or abuse, now I understand the trauma. It is not as easy as you survive the past, so now you live. I wanted to finish this post with something a tiny bit positive. I am starting to see a glimmer of hope. I have quite a lot of people, processes and medication to thank for that. I will share more as I start to feel a bit more compos mentis. What I want to remind anyone that is suffering is to keep bloody going. It can and will get better. Crisis teams and medication can help. Don't be too proud to ask for help." Many rushed to the comments section to send their support. Towie's Georgia Kusalis wrote, "Sending you so much love, heart." I'm a celebrity winner Giovanni Fletcher added, "Heart, thinking of you often. XX." Charlotte Dawson commented, "Sending you so much love, crying face, heart." The last time Louise opened up about her trauma was in January. She shared her list of positives from her past week, and the 10th point highlighted that crying has made her feel so much better over the past 7 days. Louise said, "Oh, I forgot to mention I've cried about 20 times this week, which makes me feel so much better, and I feel that every cry is a huge achievement because it means I'm not bottling anything up." It came just days after the Mike star shared a lengthy post about her experience with PTSD following on from the traumatic birth. She explained that she is suffering from depressive panic episodes that leave her unable to function and spent New Year's Day in A&E. The fitness influencer previously gushed over Ryan about how supportive he has been. The pair started dating in 2016 and got engaged 2 years later. 5. Louise pictured with Ryan credit, Instagram. 5. Leo Hunter was welcomed into the world in November credit, Instagram. 5. Louise is best known for starring in Made in Chelsea credit, Channel 4.